case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a class action lawsuit against Lazy Oil Company in 1999, the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit upheld the controversial principle that a premature notice of appeal can still ripen into a valid notice. This doctrine, known as the Cape May Green Doctrine, stipulated that an early appeal would be legitimate if no prejudice was caused to any party involved. The case stemmed from a dispute between Lazy Oil Company and Penn Grade Crude Oil producers. The producers alleged that Lazy Oil Company, in collusion with other buyers and refiners, conspired to depress the price of Penn Grade crude oil, violating the Sherman Antitrust Act. This scheme resulted in compounded financial losses for producers who were unable to reinvest in new oil wells or upgrades to existing ones. In response to the allegations, a class action settlement was approved by the district court. Dissatisfied, Lazy Oil Company appealed against the ruling, claiming it was unfair to the producer plaintiffs compared to investor plaintiffs. They argued that the specifics of their financial losses from the price-fixing scheme weren't adequately represented in the settlement. Objectors from Lazy Oil Company challenged the adequacy of Class Counsel and sought to create a subclass to ensure their interests were adequately represented. Yet, the circuit court sided with the district court, stating that the settlement was fair, reasonable, and adequate. The court dismissed the objections by Lazy Oil Company and declined to certify a subclass or disqualify the class counsel. Relying on a novel balancing approach to evaluate potential conflicts of interest, the court determined that the traditional rules for attorney disqualification should not be applied mechanically in the context of class action lawsuits. Thus, the decision of the district court was upheld, reaffirming the validity of the Cape May Green Doctrine and adapting the norms for scrutinizing conflicts of interest in class action litigation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class